As you can see, I have a pretty fluffy white dog that definitely does shed a lot. I was sent this pet hair roller brush. It comes with directions that say push forward. That opens it up. And then inside here is the handle. So let's go ahead and get that out. And then we're gonna attach it. I like how everything's very compact, very simple. So let's put that on. That was easy, not difficult at all. We can shut it, and this will roll back and forth to pick up dog hair. This little corner is the favorite spot for my dog to sit, and you can see that there's fur there. So let's make that disappear. So I'm just rolling it back and forth, back and forth. And then that picks it up, and it should be putting it into the back compartment. I didn't even realize how much pet hair I had back here until I started rolling it. This is very simple. Here's our after. No more pet hair back there. Can even use it on corners. It's a feather from a pillow. Picks up those two, which is really nice. We tend to get a lot of those from the pillows, our decorative pillows. Okay, there's our after. That looks way better. All right, this was so easy to use. Let's open it up again back here. So just pushing that forward and check it out. All the dog fur that was on the couch and some of the little feathers we picked up. You can use your finger to scoop it out, or you can detach the handle. And then on the back, open this up. You can use this to pull it all up, collect it all, and then throw it away into the trash. So that's pretty cool. And then when you're done, this just goes right back in there. Open that trash area. And look at that, you're ready to use it again. And now it doesn't take a ton of space up when you're storing it.